Yeah. Oh, man, it's a cold day. It's so cold. Look at. Oh, they got a little fire. All right, Harvey. Can't wait.
Cook something. Gonna try
Cannot
cooking something
wait.
today.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Baked stuffed shrimp.
A little baked stuffed shrimp. Make up a nice stuffing and combination, and put that thing in the pan, and then off we go into the oven.
All right. Sound good.
Oh.
All right. Put the butter in the pan. What we got there?
Mushrooms.
Oh, mushrooms. Okay.
Chopped up mushrooms. Yep. Got some celery going in.
Gotta have the celery. Some onions.
The onion going in.
Onions.
Mr. Garlic going in.
Mr. Garlic.
And Mr. Parsley.
Mr. Parsley.
Mr. Parsley.
I got the parsley.
Parsley.
Yeah, that's a work of art right there.
Parsley
All right,
family.
look at this. Do you just say the parsley family instead of the partridge family?
Give it a good mix. Yeah, get it all here. Fry this up. Yeah, looking good here. What you want to eat?
Can't have enough butter.
Keep it going here. Yep. Put it in. Fry. See more of a saute. Yeah. Warm it up. Yep. And get the scallops going with it, and then put the old breadcrumbs to her.
What's coming there next, Harvey? Oh, scallops. Scallops.
Add some chopped up scallops right into it.
Did you catch those on your own?
Yes, I did.
You did? All right. Wow.
Kind of chilly, but I did it. I did it.
Hey, Warden.
Hey,
how's it going?
everybody?
How you doing? What is
Not
that?
too bad.
What is that? What do you got for us?
Little test kitchen. I got some duck soup.
Here it
See
is.
there, Slasher.
Oh,
All right, little duck. Is that what it is?
There you go.
Duck soup.
Warm it up.
Oh yeah. Looking good.
Duck soup.
You got chicken and rice? You got duck and rice.
Oh yeah.
Come and get it.
Come and get it.
get some broth. Here it's chicken broth. Moisten it up a little bit.
Yeah, sure.
Looking good.
So these are 13 foot already sliced. Yeah, they're already made. And I just I'm taking put a little pressure here to give them a little platform to put the stuffing in there on top.
Yeah, the perfect amount of shrimp.
That's
How did you plan that? Oh my god.
475 here,
Of course, that goes with it when you're thinking about a recipe, right? It's the preparation, how you can do it most efficiently, what pan you're gonna do it, you know?
Oh, yeah.
And experience helps after a while.
Yeah, fatten them puppies up.
Dave, you're slightly in a shadow from the sun, and just, there you go.
How's that? Better?
It makes a big difference.
Damn son.
It's not implying that you're blocking the sun yet.
I used to say I'm fat.
Opening counts, man. That's all that matters. Well, what's this chicken?
Well, you can't have enough.
Paprika.
Hey, Jacob, what's up, buddy?
How you doing? What we got going on here?
Good
Stopped
time.
by for lunch, smelled it out in the street. Look at that. Ooh, I can't wait.
Let's do it. How's it going over here?
Well, I gotta double check, make sure we don't overcook these bad boys. Looking good, looking good. Starting to brown up nice. All right.
Straight through the crack. Pour it right out.
Ooh. Harvey's famous big shrimp. Oh, look at that, man. That's looking great.
Pretty.
Right, nice.
I know.
Oh yeah. Oh man.
I got my balls and shoes on. Going down to the house of sausage. I got my balls and shoes on. Right in a red hot
Look at that.
brisket. Got my barbecue shoes on. Gonna smoke me a bad
Get in line. That bit.
got my natural
You serving up there?
Now, this is a little holiday cheer right here. Holiday cheer.
Don't mind me. Nice. You pass them around.
Gentlemen, put the lemon on that. Yep.
Good effects.
I like that better than my usual.
Duck soup.
Lemon on there.
Eat this up now. Gonna eat it. Just gotta get in there. That's the way to do it.
There it goes. Yeah.
Got mesquite in my hair, baby.
All right. Hold up.
All right, time for the cameraman to sit down and eat this.